So guys, samahan nyo mag-deliver nito sa USPS. And so nag-i-eBay nga pala ako guys. And this is episode 1 pala. Wala, mali na agad pag-vlog. Pero guys, it's time to be a YouTuber. It's been like always in my mind na pagkabata ko pa lang gusto ko na maging YouTuber. And siguro ngayon ko lang na-realize na ang tagal ko hindi ginawa guys. Like legit. Like, nung pa-upload ako sa Instagram, upload ako sa... Nag-upload ako one time, like, 3 years ago sa YouTube. Pero dinilit ko guys. Ang cringe. Na-cringe ako guys. Pero, I think, sabi nila, be bad at first. So, na-realize ko na tama nga naman. Di naman talaga ako naman nagbibideo every time. Tapos, ayun. Na-realize ko, let's be bad this time. And maybe along the way, we're gonna be good. And let's go. So, di-deliver ko muna to. This is Rival Booster Packs na Pokemon. So, let's go. Samahan nyo ako. So, malamig ngayon, guys. Baby, anong temperature ngayon? 26, guys. 26. So, I'm in Tennessee. That's really cold. So, maghanda muna ako guys ng malupit. So, ayun nga, kagaya ng sinabi ko doon sa intro is, this is going to be a like 24 minutes vlog. Guys, hindi ko nga pala i-edit to. It's just cut and maybe some edit. But, along the way, we're gonna learn. You know. So, yeah, this one's cool. Alright. Kailangan ko ba sabihin mga mga outfit? Baby. So, this is ano to? Hollister. Tapos, mga sapatos to, Hoka. Siyempre, Hoka guys. Ito yung pinantakbo ko dati. Natakbo ko dati. Pero, I need to go back. Running. So guys, dito, kasi first time ko mag-eBay. I mean like a month now. Buti may nagturo sa akin na kapag hindi naman madamihan ng order, you know what I mean? You just have to scan the QR codes. Sila mag-i-scan, tapos save mo lang. Like screenshot or something. So sila magbibigay ng label para dito. So it's much easier. So samahan niyo ako. So guys, ito na. Nasa kotse na tayo. Makikita nyo guys kung bakit talaga malamig. Papatunayan ko sa inyo kung malamig. Boom, hard start. Tingnan nyo naman guys, yellow. Hindi yan nag-i-snow guys, pero may frost and shit. So, ayun. Yan. Mahulog to guys. Wait lang. Wala, hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay. Lagay ko na guys sa kamay ko ha. Ready na ba kayo? Ay, hindi pa pala mainit guys. Kwentuhan muna tayo. So, ayun, episode 1. And let's go. Uwi din ako Pilipinas guys. Ayoko muna pala sabihin yan. But, yeah. Anong pagkakakwentuhan natin? Hindi ko alam pagkakakwentuhan natin do. What should we pagkwentuhan? Wag na lang. Guys, let's go. Drive tayo guys. Nasa kamay ko. So, yep. Hindi ko pa pala. Alright, let's go. Mainit na naman. Dito tayo guys. Tutor ko kayo sa aming neighborhood. Nasa hood tayo eh. Ajak lang. Wala na, malas na tayo dun guys. Natin nasa hood tayo sa San Diego. Dapat nakita nyo yun. Nasa hood yun. Dito ano eh, Bear Demure. Ano yung mga bahay diba? Apartments. Yes, di ko pwede sabihin kung nasan ako eh. Pero secret lang natin. Secret lang. Ganda na araw dito guys, kahit malamig. So dito daw mainit pag summer. It's like humid talaga. Hindi basta-basta init. So I don't know. Kakadating lang namin dito eh, winter. So lakas ng araw guys. Kala mo inaaway. Oh yeah, is that my package? Hindi pala USPS yan. Uy! FedEx ground. Same ba lang yun? Kasi hindi ko alam kung same yun, pero yan, malupit. No. Tutor kayo. Ay, pag nakita nyo pala yung street, maalam nyo na alam mo kung nasan ako. That's crazy. So guys, ayun na. Guys, wala ako dito masyadong nakikita ang homeless. Yun na lang ko sa inyo. So walang homeless na state. I mean, city is a state. I mean, nalos naman siguro lahat meron, but this one, I don't see anyone here. Maybe once a month, but I don't know where the fuck they go. So, ayun. Ito nyo yung guys, umuusok na. Sa sobrang lamig oh. Sana nakikita nyo yun guys. Wait lang guys, paglili ko mahirap pag na camera eh. So guys nga pala, I'm going to build a business, pero hindi ko man nasabihin sa inyo, you know. Pero I'm building it and i-vlog natin siya sometimes. But right now I'm just starting everything, like everything, like the plan. I have people to work with. I'm not going to work for them, they're not going to work for me. We're gonna work together. I don't want fucking, yeah, basta ganun, you know what I mean. So fair treatment lang, equal. Maybe, I don't know, but yeah, for the business, ano makakaano sa business namin. Ayun, malapit lang, dito lang. Hindi ko pwede ipakita sa inyo, malalaman nyo kung nasan ako. Alam nyo naman, alam kong ayaw nyong malaman din naman, but ayaw mag-assume na gusto nyo malaman ng aking pero okay, padala na natin to guys. So guys, napadala na natin. And ayun, wala na tayo gagawin buong araw. So guys, umalis na nga pala ako ng Navy. If you guys don't know, I mean, I'm still active but I'm not working, if you know what I mean. So it's been like 2 months now that I'm not like working. So I just wasted my 2 months for not doing this. I don't know why. I'm always like nagdadalawang isip ako palagi guys. Should I do it? Should I not do it? Well, now it's 2026. It's not just 2026, right? It's just maybe I have come to my senses na I don't really care about anybody. Wala talagang pakialam na kung ano sabihin ng ibang tao na ngayon. It's just now I just want to provide. That's what I want to do. I want to learn. I want to experience life, you know what I mean? And I cannot do that in the Navy. Navy is comfortable, it's easy. Ayun, kaya umalis talaga ako guys. Di ko na kaya yung nila, yung pamamalakad nila. So di ko talaga trip yung naging command ko. Masaya siya nung una guys, nung first deployment. Like, you know, madami ang nakilalang Pilipino nung sorry guys, doon ako natin. siya, pero not in the long term. It's gonna fuck you up, man. Like your body and mind. Yeah, you really have to be strong-minded, physically and mentally. Ako naman, malakas naman ako. Malakas naman sadya eh. Sino bang malakas naman sadya ako? I always work out. I'm Filipino, first of all. So, that's that. So, sa tingin ko mga Pilipino talaga malalakas ang mental kaysa sa American. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Not all Americans, of course, but you know, mas mahirap yung pamumuhay natin sa Pilipinas kaysa Amerika. Hindi ko sinasabi naghirap ako, but I still experience some, you know, na Filipino way. Pero ayun, that's why I'm vlogging now. Siyempre nahiya pa rin ako, and siyempre pag na-edit ko to, I'm going to feel cringe too sometimes, cause iniisip ko, why is a man fucking vlogging, you know what I mean? It's like, I don't know, it's like nafe-feel ko it's not like a man's job. But now I don't really care no more. Fuck it. If I like it and it's going to feed my family, I don't care no more. You know what I mean? So I see you guys at the crib. So guys, napakabigat. So binuhat ko to. Mga delivery ko. Papakita ko sa inyo kung ano. And so, simulan muna natin sa guys, baliktad tayo. Sisimulan natin sa malaki, paliit. Ayan natin. Ang bigat guys. Pero okay lang. So ito ang pinakamaliit guys. Tapos ito ang pinakamalaking box. Ito ang pinakamabigat guys. Papakita ko sa inyo anong laman. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys kung anong laman nito at kung bakit siya mabigat. Should take pictures. Let's take pictures first. You know.
So listen, Lucia.
Before everything else.
Come again?
Guys, OP14. Bang! So I got 2 cases na ipagbibili syempre. Yeah. Guys, 2 OP14. Well, this one is not good. So, titingnan na ito yung bubuksan natin. Kasi yung isa, magbubukas tayo na isa. Tapos ito, sealed natin. Ito yung pagbibili natin ng isa-isa. May isang booster box. Woo! Oh yeah. No, guys. Well, let's ask the seller if they want to refund me a little bit, because their shipping is fuck. Look at this, guys. I just opened it, and this the patunay. Ano yung sa patunay? Proof na I just opened it and it's bent. Okay. So let's ask them if it's cool to get a refund for it. So guys, nasend na natin sa seller na dent nga to. Pero sana ma-partial refund na lang ako, tapos open ko na lang to. I don't care about that. Kasi mag-open naman sa dyan dalawa. nito, tapos magbibili ka lang ng iba. Tapos ma-sell the case by itself. Tapos yung dalawa na benta na kasi sa aking kaibigan. Shout out sa'yo. So yeah. So let's go open this box though. Let's open this box. Kasi I'm going to refund him $625. Kasi I bought it for $625 for 12. So 625 times 12 is like what? 7,500. But yeah. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys na look, it's like almost the same but ang liit niya, hindi ko talaga napansin yung baba niya. But yeah, so hindi niya kayang i-sell yan kagaya nito. So I need this to get a refund or get a partial refund. I don't care if it's just a partial refund. Kasi bago pa naman, so yeah. So this one's all good. I'm gonna open this guys by the way. So I wanna open this one too today, but I wanna make sure the refund is good first, cause I don't wanna open it and he doesn't wanna do it, you know. So I'm just gonna stay there. We're gonna open this one, and oh, this one is cool too. This one is really cool. Kasi nasa akin na lahat guys ng OP Online na wanted. I just bought them. So pataas na pataas ngayon ng One Piece guys. Kaso kinakabahan ako sa bubble guys. So there's always a bubble sa business, you know what I mean? Not just the business, sa ano din. Sa you know, sa hobby. Like bigla siyang taas, syempre. Alam mo naman ang kasabihan, biglang yaman. Mabilis kayo yumaman, mabilis din mawala, right? You know what I mean? So it's like the bubble on the business, like it can go down. So the seller is good for doing this. I always do this too, and I said, hey, let's make sure it's not inside.
Contest, just what we need right now.
They sell themselves. Aquawanda and the word candies, and you get commodities. And there's something for every animal. Dogs, cats, reptiles, amphibians.
Bro, what the fuck? I thought I got scammed. Holy shit. This right here. Bro, I thought I got scammed for reals. Well, this is cool. Well, I got this. Hello guys. Okay. So, ngayon meron tayong deliver at ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya ipack. Maybe pwedeng bidyon mo saglit. Videographer?
Ano ba yung ano mo? iPad?
So guys, syempre, what? Hello guys.
Kita ang kalat.
So, ito may umorder sa ating 8 na booster packs na Destin Rivals. And ang ginagawa ko is ginaganto ko lang sila. So, of course, para doble, triple yung kanilang protection is just have to cut this, right? You just have to cut that and you just need another one to get cut again. Doesn't matter kung pantay o hindi. Doesn't matter. Basta na ano siya na cover yung ano niya. So, dito. Please. Ay, cameraman. Hindi pa siya sanay guys. So, ngayon, bakit wala dito ngayon yun? Nasa mga ano?
What?
Mga rubber band.
Oh no. Ikaw ba nag-ayos ah?
What?
What?
Guys, samahan nyo dito. Hello na.
Hi baby.
Hey baby. So, ito na guys.
Wait.
Guys, kiss. So, bago natin syempre ipack.
Holy shit.
What?
Dami commercial.
We've gotten a lot of complaints from our lovely
Me,
So,
you have
guys-
to drink my shit.
Wait lang, baby. Hindi ka mamamatay
Bilis,
ng
bilis, bilis.
Hindi nagsasalita ang cameraman, guys. Itong cameraman natin nakaka-insa.
Naiihina din kasi ako.
Wait lang. So guys, ito hindi ako kita. Yung ano.
Taka.
So ito, gaganyan nyo lang. Make sure na nakaganyan siya. Tapos dito. Yep. Tapos ngayon. Mali guys.
Nadali mo.
Hindi tayo mag-deliver guys. Hindi kasi. Tama to. Talagang ano lang ako. Okay. So, ganyan guys. Maybe one set.
Lulusot kasi dito.
Dito? Kaya nga igagat to eh. Guys! Nangingilam kasi yung cameraman eh. Dapat ang cameraman din nakikinig. Ano lulusot niya kung gaganitahin ko? Oh. You know what I mean? So guys, continue na natin. Ito na ating cameraman. Camera woman. Naprito natin yung kanilang parang receipt. Siyempre. Guys, walang pakialam dito ang tao guys sa receipt na to. Siyempre, mas maganda pa rin yung So, the item, the thank you card, tapos yung kanilang receipt. Siyempre, natin bigyan ito. Ito. Bigyan na natin yung lahat. Fuck that shit. I don't even know how much is it, but... Guys, lugi ba tayo, guys? Siyempre, free B. Siyempre, lalagyan mo ito ito. Pampakulat, guys. Para hindi mag-ano, tapon-tapon. Try nga natin guys kung nagtatapon-tapon. Guys, ibig sabihin hindi nakalog pa. Konti. So guys, finishing product. Tapos na guys. Boom. Pagdali na lahat. Hindi ko ito malapit. Lagi ko guys na yung pre-pull para dito. Sakit lang. What the fuck?
Ibalik mo.
Kasi nandito eh. Okay, tapos na guys. Ah, hindi pa. Guys, buti na may libreto dun sa in-order ko. So, fragile. No, so they won't fucking fuck this one. Guys, hello! So it's Wednesday right now. And ayun. So may nabili tayo ngayon sa Walmart na malupit. Kasi TCG syempre. TCG. Sa Walmart guys. So bumili ako 5 nito kasi 5 lang pwede. 5 lang pwede ng Magic the Gathering na Lorwyn Eclipse. Guys, na meron siyang may include serialized card. Pero pagbenta ko ito eh. Pagbebenta lang natin sa eBay. You know what I mean? Bentahan sa eBay 50 to 60, nabili ko lang 30.